Hi everyone, welcome back to Crafts with Mike, and we are going to be showing you something that I picked up in the range a few weeks ago, which I thought would fit in quite nice with the craft channel. It's something that I've never seen before, but it looks to me like it's a sketching product, so very like the scratch art where you use a little palette knife thing and it scrapes away the gold foil. This is like drawing, so I've never attempted anything like this before. They did have, I think there was a Wolf as well, but it's from a company called Artmaker Essentials. Drawing Made Simple, and it feels like it's a guide. So with everything you need to spark your creativity, it is a line, and you do get all the things you need by the looks of it. So we've got different grades pencils, H4 there. That's normally a really nice grade. If you've ever used a H4 with it's yellow, it's like a yellow and black pencil, they're really, really good. I'm intrigued about this one here. We've got a nice rubber there, and then a sharpener. I haven't used one in donkey's years for them sort of things, because nowadays everything's his pen. But what's interesting is, look, it's Hinkler Create, the same company that does the diamond painting. So let's take a look over it. We're not going to do any today, but it's just really sort of like an unboxing, if you like. And it says, take your first steps into the world of handmade art with Drawing Made Simple. Whether you're a lover of sketching and doodling or looking to extend your basic skills, it's easy to follow the Drawing Made Simple process and achieve your own masterpiece. With a helpful instruction sheet featuring tips and tricks, as well as a practice sheet with rough guidelines to help build your first drawing upon everything you need to begin is inside this kit. So that's really good. So you get a blank drawing sheet, you get a practice with guidelines, and then obviously the real thing. So you've got to be proper skilled to do this. It's a good job they do that, because that gives us like a dry run on it. And then it says including 4 pencils of different grades: a charcoal pencil, a putty eraser, a pencil sharpener, a tortillon, a blank sheet panel, a reference image, a practice sheet with guidelines, and a comprehensive instruction sheet. Drawing Made Simple contains everything you need to enjoy a relaxing new hobby today. Now, I'm not familiar with what a tortillon is. I mean, it looks like a pencil, but let's take a look inside and see what we've got. If this turns out like I can, like, if I feel like I'm getting on with it pretty well, then I will go and get some more. But it's just so difficult trying to find things to do on this channel, and it's a very sort of slow channel. And what I mean by that, oh wow, what I mean by that is that it's not hard scheduled. So I do a video whenever I feel like it. That's why it's very, very like hit and miss with this channel at the moment. Trying to get all my pencils out. So what you might want to do is keep them in this tray thing, because obviously if you're gonna be if these are special type of pencils, as you can see here, one of these ones are not drilled, sorry, not drilled, they're not oh, whatchamacallit, have I got my, I don't know if I've got my craft knife in here. Yes, we have. We'll use our little knife here. That we must get them new blades. I keep forgetting to get them. I mean, it's up to you if you want to keep them in here, but just to show you, I have noticed that the charcoal, let's have a look here. So the actual charcoal one, they look like they're sellotaped in there as well, yeah. So the charcoal one, oh, that's nice quality. That's quite heavy. It's really nice quality, that. But you can see these are the different grade ones, and then you've got the charcoal one that's not been penciled. But looking at that, it's got quite a big lead in it. So yeah, never used a torsion pen before. Maybe it's like to press on the tracing paper or something, but I'm really intrigued with this. And in here we've got the eraser. Now, one of the channels that I watch, Hannah over at, I can't remember what her name is, Hannah's Colouring, I'll tag her in the video. This is the thing that I wanted to show you, because I know you like your drawings and stuff, because she does a lot of the colouring in with colouring in books and things, you know, colouring books. Oh wow, that is that's really like weird. it's got like a sticky effect to it. Oh, okay. But in here we've got drawing and textiles, so obviously it gives you an idea of how to do the long fur, the medium fur, and as I said, this is like a course in itself because I've never done anything like this. I've done like the tracing stuff, but this says drawing made simple. If you've always wanted to draw but think you can't, or have not picked up a pencil since your school days, that is definitely me. I haven't. Well, I may have, but tell a lie, I have actually. Look. Since your school days, then this pack is for you. I believe that anyone can draw, but like any other skill, improvement requires practice and persistence. These techniques require practice and persistence. Sorry, I've read that twice. These techniques and tips will help you on your way. Once you are confident with the techniques, you can begin your drawing. Start by using the sheet with the guidelines. It will help you to compose the perfect image. So as you can see, they've got elephants, dogs. Oh, wow, yes. Oh, that's gorgeous. So as you can see, this is, I think this might be, is that the practice sheet? Or I was under the impression that we actually draw it, but, oh, I see, right. So these must be like little guides, because the actual, I think the real version is this one. Oh, wow. And then we've got, is there another one under there? Looks like one there. And then I think that's just your standard practice sheet, but you can always use your A4 paper as well. But I don't think, looking at this, I'm being serious, this was like $1.99. I really don't think I've got the skill for this. Yeah, because this is like a shading thing. So, wow. We've definitely got to really take our time on this, because I think that's like a lighter one, and then this is supposed to be like your dark one, maybe. Because it looks a bit darker here, or maybe they're both the same. I just feel like one's darker than the other. But that's our picture, and then obviously we get the pencils to do it. Now in here it does show you the different parts that we've got here. So we've got things like graphite pencils, charcoal, sharpeners, erasers. And it says here, one of the great things about drawing is how little you need to get started. As long as you have a couple of pencils, an eraser, a sharpener, a blending stump, and some paper, I've never heard of a blending stump, you will be able to tackle drawing a wild, oh my god, I can't speak today. You will be able to tackle the drawing a wide variety of subjects. And then obviously we've got the blending stumps or tortillons. And you can use the blending stumps to transfer graphite onto your paper and as a shading tool. Then we've got drawing paper there, keeping it simple. If you're just starting to draw, practice on any scrap paper and invest in more materials as you progress. Just like we do with diamond painting, we start off with the cheap little pens that look like this, and then we go into like the upgraded sort of style pens and stuff. So as you can see, this is quite a challenge for me. But yeah, I can't wait to tackle this. It's going to be quite an interesting project. As I said, I'm always on the hunt for crafty bits, and I thought, do you know what? I'm going to give it a go. I picked it up in the shop and I was like, there's definitely no way I can do that. But unless you give it a go, you won't know. And for $1.99, you can't go wrong. What I will say is, if you've never attempted anything like this before, do not waste ridiculous amounts of money, like a £5 on something, if it's going to go horribly wrong. If it goes pear-shaped and you muck the picture up, at least you've not wasted a £5. If it's like £1, then that's pish-posh, innit? £1's next to nothing, peanut money. But yeah, I'm very intrigued as to how this is going to come out. I mean, they did say like a guide, but I mean, I'm assuming what might be better is like a tracing paper or something, but wow. I don't know how well I'm going to get on with this, but it's good. It's all good. So we'll pop that into here for this. As I said, this is just the unboxing video, so I cannot say for certain when I plan to do this. This will take a bit of time to, you know, research and sort of test it out, as you like, but the great thing is I'm going to be doing it all on camera, so if it goes wrong, you guys are going to see it. But yeah, I think it's really nice as well that they've included these for $1.99, because it saves you having to like go out and buy them and stuff. So we got our little sharpener there. It's quite funny actually, because the other day I was looking for an electronic sharpener to sharpen my other ones. I really love the pencils that have little rubbers on. I tend to use these when I'm working on cross stitch, marking up the lines and stuff. So the fact that they've included that is quite nice. But it does bring you back to school days, you know. The last time I sort of, you know, work with pencils, you know, properly with like drawing and sharpening stuff was at school, weren't it? So yeah, and then obviously we got our little eraser that feels really sticky because they put plastic on it, but yes, that's how we go. So if you want to get this for yourself, I'll pop a link in the description of the video and then you can get that for yourself. As I say, they do other ones, but I thought something different, you know. And yeah, let us know in the comments what you think of this. Do you think you could manage it? That's the question I'm asking today. Do you think that you could tackle this project? Number one, I don't think I can. I don't think I've got the skill to, but you never know. I could develop skills along the way, you know. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also check out my sister channel, which is Diamond Paints with Mike. If you are a diamond painter, we also do diamond paintings as well. So check out my other channel there. And yeah, so can't wait. Until then, have a lovely cup of tea and we'll see you next time. Bye.